Do you know that a JSON.stringify can actually crash a server? So here I have a very simple Express server जिसमें I have a get route and इसके अंदर we are getting all the users and we are returning all the users as JSON. So right now this particular code is absolutely working fine. So if I just run this particular code and if I try to make a get request, you can see that I am actually going to get all the users. So you can see the users are being returned. But what happens if I introduce a circular dependency in the object? So you can see that just by adding this line, what I am doing is मैं यहाँ पर एक self property attach कर रहा हूँ to the users, which is again pointing back to the same object. It's like a self pointer. So now if I restart my server, you can see my server is absolutely running fine. But अगर हम इस particular route के ऊपर request करते हैं, you can see my server crashes. And if you carefully see the crash message, it says converting circular structure to JSON. So this is the exact error that you get, that if you try to JSON.stringify an object which has a circular dependency, your server is going to crash. So how can you prevent this particular thing? So for this, number one, you should handle this particular thing on your own, that you have to make sure that there is no circular dependency in your object, or you can use a package something like safe JSON stringify, which actually helps you mitigate this particular error. So if you just read this particular thing, it actually says that it attempts to handle circular references too. So you should always use something like this kind of a package for JSON.stringify. Usually you will not have a circular dependency, but in case you are working with an ORM or something like that, and अगर आपके ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर किसी भी तरह की सर्कुलर डिपेंडेंसी है, so response.json जो internally JSON.stringify यूज करता है, that can actually crash a server.